We at Pahadi Story asked this question that you would ask, what's inside the jar? And this became a 5-month experiment across 2 countries, and today we have the truth. I'm very excited to unveil our lab test result. Along with me is Harish ji, who's been our technical partner, and I would invite him to say a few words.
आज बड़े हर्ष का विषय है कि जो हमारा प्रयास था वो आज सफल हो गया। जो जर्मन की लैब में हमारे द्वारा जो उत्पादित शहद था उसको टेस्टिंग में बहुत अच्छा उसका रिजल्ट आया। यहाँ भी प्रवीण जी ने हमें बताया कि वो शहद हनी ड्यू शहद के नाम से हमारा पाया गया।
So this is our lab verdict, test result across Germany and India, and this is a Spring Harvest 2026 from Champavat Hills. Let's go to the first point, that the most important thing as a consumer, you should know that the honey that you are consuming is exceptionally fresh, which means the state which it was in the hive, it is there in your jar. So it is completely zero heat damage. Then the most second important thing is active enzymes, which means enzymes are still active and much above than a German grade. So diastase invertase, which is, so you're eating a very active honey. We came to the forest looking for blossom honey, but we were surprised that we have a honeydew, which is a rare forest category that we have here, and clean. So when I say 260 plus pesticides and antibiotic tested, which means this is one of the cleanest honey that you are having. Other important point is no foreign sugars, no syrups, nothing. This is a pure classified honey, and as a consumer you should know that every report that I'm speaking about is published. You can click the QR code and you will be directed towards the test results. Here's what most honey won't tell you. A lot of it is basically heated until it's really dead, and a lot of it isn't even real honey. The NMR test that we conducted across Germany and India, the one that catches fakes, the one that catches syrups, when our test came in as real honey. And also when it came back alive, which means twice the enzyme activity of a premium grade honey. We just have 500 jars and it's a signature batch from Champavat Hills. This will be available to pre-order roughly by 27 June, but you can go and opt in on the link given on our bio so that you are the first one to know when our link goes live. Thank you.
थैंक यू। मैं पहाड़ी स्टोरी के पूरे टीम का और प्रवीण जी का बहुत धन्यवाद करता हूं। हमारे इस प्रोडक्ट को बढ़ाने में उन्होंने बड़ा सहयोग किया है। निश्चित रूप से हम सभी किसानों के लिए, चंपावत के किसानों के लिए लाभकारी होगा और यहाँ के किसानों को रोजगार मिलेगा। धन्यवाद।
थैंक यू सर।